If you've been following our videos, you know we got these two items in Benin recently. My mother-in-law gifted me this pounded yam machine, and then hubby got me this 4-in-1 blender. And then I'm like, okay, let's unbox them together. So guys, come closer. Let's start with the pounded yam machine. The seal is already broken. At the end of this video, I'll be telling you how much these items cost. But for now, let's unbox. So we have this. Let me just place this aside. And then we have this. And then of course we have a manual. It's not just me. Wow. Yes. Right? This is huge. As you can see, this is 6-liter capacity, so it can take a lot. So keep following us as I'm going to be trying out all this, and you want to see me make pounded yam with this. So basically this part goes under here. So you're going to get something like this. So after boiling your yam, you place it in here. You're going to have this is very sharp, so you are going to remove the blade protector before you start. You place your yam here, then you are going to allow it to pound. After a while, you add in some water and then allow it to pound again. When you want to pound, you just need to close this up. Yeah, to close it up, it has in here to close and open. So once you close it up, you come like this, and then you press the button and you pound. After putting in the water, you repeat the same process, and then that's it. So this is our pounded yam machine. All right, let's move on to the next one. We have our 4-in-1 blender. I'm particularly excited about this one. Let's move on to unbox it. Let's see what we have here. Okay, let me start from here. This is the blender. Okay, let me just bring them out first. This is the juicer. Then you have some leaflets. So basically this is the main machine, and this is the food processor. Pretty small. Okay, how do we open this? Okay. Pretty small, but then it can work. Then this is the main blender. This is 1800 mils, and this is the, so when you want to use the food processor, you simply place it on the engine like this and plug in. If you want to use the blender, you place it in the engine like this and plug in. Then this is the dry part. So probably for pepper, ogbono, egusi, anything dry, you place it like this and blend. Then this, which is my favorite part, for juicing. If you want to juice, all you need to do, come closer, let me show you. As you can see, there are different sets of blade inside. So if you want to juice, all you need to do is come in like this. Put your fruits in here. You put your fruits in here, so when it blends, the juice is going to come out to the sides and then the shaft remains here. Is that not exciting? So now let me know in the comment section, what recipe do you want to see me try out with my new appliances? Let me know in the comment section, what do you want to see me try out? For costing, we actually got this for 90,000 naira, and this came for about 45,000 naira. So this is 90, this is 45. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Was this a good buy, or do you think I was cheated? Let me know, and make sure to tell me the recipes you want to see from these appliances in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. We'll catch you in our next video, and from my cameraman,
Bye.